Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to our online session, Mathematics Grade 4. Our today's lesson is Check My Progress. That is in page number 793. Page number 793. Question number 1. Use the word bank to complete the chart about the metric systems of measurement. Some units are given. We have to place it in 3 charts. One chart is about length, other chart is about mass, and the last chart is about capacity. Now we have some words given in our book: centimeter, gram, kilogram, kilometer, mass, milliliter, millimeter, meter, and the last one is liter. Now we have to place them according to their proper place. Now we are going to see the first chart is about length. Now we will select what things are in the length. We can see from the given information, millimeter is the unit of length. That is the smallest unit of length. After millimeter we have centimeter, then meter, and after that kilometer. These are the units of length. Our next chart is about mass. We will select what are in the mass from the given information. Gram is the unit of mass, and after that we have kilogram is the unit of mass. Its abbreviation is kg. And our next is capacity. We will select from the given information what will come in the chart of capacity. Milliliter, that is ml, and after that liter. These are the units of capacity. In question number 2, we have to use the word bank to write each vocabulary word next to its abbreviation. Abbreviation means short form. First one is mm. Mm stands for millimeter. Then cm, that is centimeter. These are the units of length. ml, milliliter. km for kilometer. G for gram. kg, kilogram, and after that L for liter. L for what? Liter. And the last one is M for mass. Right? These are the units. These are the simple abbreviation, and we have written its form. Once again I am repeating: mm for millimeter, cm for centimeter, unit of length. Millimeter is also the unit of length. ml, milliliter. Liquids are normally measured in milliliter. Kilometer, km, distance is measured in kilometer. Gram, g for gram. Kg, kilogram. L for liter. M for mass. My dear student, I hope that you understood the lesson, and as a homework you will have to revise the work what we have done in the last week. That you have to revise and you have to solve in your copybook so that you cannot forget it. Okay, right? Thank you very much. Take care. See you in the next lesson.